Hey, this is Jake with Avi-on. Today we're going to be installing the relay adapter. The relay adapter comes in two parts. First is the Avi-on Relay Adapter, which is this guy right here. He's got multiple wires coming out of it. You've got some dimming wires, some power wire, and you have the white wire, which is the trigger wire for the relay, and the antenna. Don't cut the antenna. Keep that just as is. The second part is the power pack. Power pack has a grounding wire that has power coming into it, and then you have the load coming out of it to the light fixture. Now this combination is used when there's a driver that doesn't dim to off, where you need the relay to kill the power to it. To combine these two together, you clip them together and there's your kit. Now let's go ahead and install this inside the light fixture. Let me go ahead and remove this panel with a couple of screws. And inside this high bay, it's pretty standard. You've got dimming wires and you've got power wire right here. I've already been inside this light fixture, but all I did was just cut this wire to intercept the power. Now the good thing about this, the relay adapter here, comes with the Wagos. So these Wagos right here, like the neutral, comes with a 3-hole Wago, so you can tie the neutrals together very easily. Now with this one here, we want to see which one comes from the building and which one doesn't. So we've got the hot in, and then we have the load out. And then on the other side, that's the power pack side. On the relay adapter side, all the wires that are left are just the dimming wires. You do gray to gray, and you do purple to purple. Pretty hard stuff. Let's go ahead and lay this in here. There's a ground wire. I'm not going to worry about that with this fixture in this demo. But right here, you do have the relay adapter. Now you can set this relay adapter wherever you want. But the antenna, try to stub the antenna out of the light fixture somewhere, so that it's out of the metal and into the air behind it. That does help with some radio transmission. We can go ahead and set this down in here. We can put the panel back on, or the cover back on. Now I'm going to power this up. This is going to be a little bit bright, just to give you a warning. I don't know what the camera is going to do. It's going to power up right here. It takes about 4 seconds for it to power up, and there you go. Actually, that's not too bright. I already dimmed this. With this wall station pre-programmed, you can go ahead and set that to 100, 25, bring this down a couple of notches, all the way down to 10 if you wanted to. And that's how easy it is to install the Avi-on Relay Adapter.